Hi guys, version 1, version 2. This is ground effect vehicles inspired by Spencer Hunt, or at least I saw one on his channel, so I had a go at doing my own. That one's all 3D printed apart from the bit of card I put on for a tail. This one, just that bit and that bit are 3D printed, and this is a bit of card. Pretty coloured card, but it's a piece of card. So we'll give that a try. I have super glued it in place to stop it flexing around. So yeah, we'll put a rubber band on it and see if it can be flicked along. Right, I've put some nose weight on it, try and keep the nose down. Well, it certainly lifted off the ground to begin with, and then it dropped down again and just skidded along the floor. We'll have a few goes trying to come this way, see if we can hit the camera. Well, first shot straight on the camera. I think that'll do for tonight. That seems to work. I expect it's still doing the same as before, where it's jumping off the ground, rising too high, and then it's dropping back down again and just skimming, actually skimming on the floor. We can hear it skimming when it should be just on a cushion of air. So I don't think it's right, but it looks good. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.